Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to solve consent UI notification on taskbar on your laptop. Here you see the notification already came, and if you click above the notification, it will not work and you did not work in your taskbar. So I will press Ctrl Alt Del at a time and it will come task manager. Click and you see the consent UI for administrative application. You select that and end task. It will vanish, and for permanent solution you go to the search option and right here UAC, enter here, change user, and you get it down, never notify. Just press down arrow from keyboard and never notify. Okay and okay. It will not come again and it will not disturb you again. After restarting, you will see here there is no notification and no error. After few seconds you will see the notification malicious. You just click here and finish. Fix the problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.